Here's a demonstration of Surya Namaskars, first A and then B. This is the traditional way to begin practice of Ashtanga Yoga, and it's also a really beautiful way not only to warm the body, but also to sync the body with the breath. Generally, the exhale will bring the body down. Inhale lifts the body up, and the exhale also will bring the body back, as into downward facing dog. When holding these poses, you can look for movement within the stillness. So here, finding a comfortable downward facing dog, looking for the inner thighs to reach back while the navel reaches up. This engages the bandhas. I'm also looking to open through my upper back here. It's important that the hands are flat, fingers are spread wide, and then the feet are rooting. After 5 breaths, the exhale will bend the knees. And the inhale will bring the body back up and forward. Exhale, lowering the chest, completing Surya Namaskar A. And inhaling to lift the arms. You can complete Surya Namaskar A 3 to 5 times or 108 times if you wish. And after Surya Namaskar A, moving to Surya Namaskar B. Inhaling for Utkatasana, looking up, reaching up with the knees bent, navel back. With the next exhale, folding down, chest to thighs. Inhaling, lengthening the back. Here I lift the heels and I drop back into Chaturangandasana. Inhaling for the back bend, Urdhva Mukha. And exhaling, lifting the hips and pressing up and back for a downward facing dog. Just the exhale. With the inhale, stepping forward. Here I'm demonstrating left side first. In my own practice, I do left side on alternate days and right side first on other days. I practice daily. Most classes you'll see just right side first. There's nothing wrong with doing left side first, as long as you're consistent. And then here I step the right foot forward. Ideally, right knee over the right ankle, right thigh parallel to the ground. Pelvis is straight up and straight down. Exhaling down into Chaturangandasana. Inhaling to lift up for the back bend. And exhaling to press the hips up and back. Again, 5 breaths here. Most Ashtangis will shorten the stance at this point. Iyengar will teach a longer stance between hands and feet. Ideally, this is the same length in down dog as you have for plank. For me, it's very important, the breathing. With the navel up and in, we inhale, and with the navel up and in, we exhale. This is the hallmark of Ujjayi breath. After 5 breaths, inhaling to jump forward, exhaling to fold down. Inhale, we'll bend the knees for Utkatasana. And with the next exhale, standing in Samastitihi. And careful of the palm trees nearby you. Moving through 2 more rounds. Inhaling to lift the arms. 1 exhale to fold. With the longer you practice, the longer your breath will become. So you may find that in the beginning, the Surya Namaskars take less time. And as you develop your practice, you'll be able to take longer and fuller breaths in. Just 1 inhale, we'll step the left foot forward, lifting the arms, lifting the gaze. And then just 1 exhale brings the hands down to step the left foot back. Straight spine for Chaturangandasana, back bend, and then exhaling to lift the hips, rolling over the feet. Second side, stepping forward, lifting up. This is just 1 inhale. And then with just 1 exhale, bringing both hands down to the ground. With the inhale, lifting the chest. And with the exhale, pressing up and back. 5 breaths in downward facing dog. The hip should be the highest point of this posture. It's not necessary that the legs are straight, although with time and repetition, your hamstrings will lengthen out and your heels will come down to the floor. But in the beginning, if you need to, keep your knees softly bent and let your spine be long. At the end of the 5th breath, bending the knees, inhaling to jump forward. Exhaling, folding the chest down towards the thighs. With the next inhale, lifting up and reaching up. And with the exhale, finishing just as we began, Samastitihi.